AI lies. It sounds smart, but it's often dead wrong. I called it bluffing, and today I will show you how to fix it. A quick story. I once asked AI to write me an email. It looked amazing. I sent it out. Zero response, not even a click. Why? Because AI wasn't smart. It was just guessing. Here's the truth. AI doesn't speak English. It speaks math. Every answer is just probability. So when you type, write me an email, it spins a wheel between millions of options. Sales email, breakup emails, business email. It sounds confident, but it's rolling dice. Here is the fix. Stop speaking randomly. Start giving AI structure. Think of prompts like recipes. If you just say, cook something, you'll get random food. But if you give clear steps, you'll get the dish you actually want. And that recipe, it has 6 parts: role, context, task, format, rule, examples. Watch this back prompt. Write me a fitness email. Results, generic junk. But now, the structured version. You are a fitness coach talking to new app users who haven't worked out yet. Write a motivational email. Make it 100 words. Keep it supportive. No guilt. Match these friendly, uplifting tune. You see the difference? Same AI, different language. But here's where it gets crazy. The system is just the start. Add these hacks, and AI goes from good to crazy good. Hack number 1, the truth dictator. Add this. For each answer, rate confidence, high, medium, or low, and explain why. Now, AI admits when it's guessing. Hack number 2, prompt helper. Instead of stressing how to ask, just say, write the best prompt I can use to achieve these results. And boom, AI become your coach. And hack number 3, model match. Different AI are like different shoes: running shoes, hiking boots, dress shoes. Pick the wrong one, it feels wrong. Test your prompt on 2 models. Keep the one that fits. Hack number 3 is the one that most people miss out: model match. Different AI models are like different shoes: running shoes, hiking boots, dress shoes. Pick the wrong one, and it feels wrong. Test your prompt on 2 models. Keep the one that fits. And here's hack number 4, self-critic loop. Tell AI, find 3 weaknesses in your draft, rewrite it, and do this 3 times. It roasts itself, and by round 3, the answer is gold. I think I personally love hack number 5, the magic words. Add these 4 words. Think step by step. That's it. AI slows down. Show it reasoning. Clearer answers, less nonsense. And hack number 6, priming trick. Warm up AI first. Ask a broad question, then narrow it down like this. What makes online learning effective? Then design my Excel course using these principles. The result: deep, smart, and more thoughtful. So here's a challenge. Take one task you use AI for: emails, lesson plans, content script. Run it through the recipe: raw, context, task, format, rule, and examples. Then add the hack, truth dictator, self-critics, step by step. Do it once, and you will see the upgrade instantly. And here is my dare. Post your before and after results in the comment. Let's see who gets the widest transformation. If you are ready to turn one prompt into a full prompt library for business, teaching, or content creation, click this next video. Once you try this, you will never go back to basic prompt again. You can download the free template in the link I've provided below.